Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. This time I didn't bring you a hot one, I bring you a new one, but I bring you a shitcoin. I feel sorry for that. 3 weeks ago I was making a video about a BNBMoonShot token, right? And you guys write me that you cannot contact anymore the community. I was not even following up this token anymore because I just buy some tokens, stay inside, and maybe I have luck and maybe not. And this time I didn't have luck, and you guys also not. And I hope you didn't throw all your money inside because the website is gone. BNBMoonShot.com is gone. You can follow up them, yes. You can contact here the support team and try to sue them, but on which kind of court you want to sue them? And for sure we have here the gone Twitter account. It's vanished, it's gone. It's all went into the toilet, but I hope you didn't invest all your money in one project, right? So you can see here was the big rug pull on the last days, and you can look here on PooCoin.app. You can just still copy paste the address here, and you can see here one of these guys were the bad guys, right? You can see a total sold 26,000 and here 13,000, and maybe both of them, so that means 40,000 like this, or maybe more. I cannot tell you exactly because we have to calculate here exactly, and we cannot see here always the exactly amount what's going on. You can just here look a little bit, but it doesn't matter how much money or how less money or whatever. It's people's money, right? So you earn your money and you invest in it. Even you earn your money from Bitcoin or somewhere else, it doesn't matter, it's yours, right? And you want to invest in a project and believe in one. That's why I say, guys, don't invest all your money in one project. Just invest a little bit, and if you see the hype, first of all, we always have a hype. The first situations here, the first days, we have a hype. You can take here fast profits, right? You can make here, a 10x. You can make always, right? But we never know when it's the right time to go out of a project, because humans are like little greedy pigs, right? We all the same. We want more and more and more, and if we go up, we say, okay, no, a little bit, I stay inside, and then boom, okay? And the same here with this rug pulls. We never know how long this project exists. The first signs, of course, is if you cannot write them. And for sure, if the website is down, everything is down, right? And guys, that's it for now. Please don't invest anymore in BNBMoonShot. I just can tell you it was a scam, and I feel sorry for that. I didn't know that. Telegram groups still exist. This guy here, you can write him, but he will not answer you. Maybe he's just a promoter, maybe he knows more, I don't know, right? But yeah, guys, that's it for now. Please be careful where you invest. You never know what's going on behind the project. Don't be too greedy. Don't invest all your money, and stay safe and make some nice profits with other tokens. And until next videos, I wish you all the best, and see you later, alligator. Bye.